Hello, hi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, today I will ask you one question and you answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Do you know story writing?
Yes, sir.
Unity is strength. No.
Yes, sir.
Unity is
Strength.
strength. So listen. What will be S? That time sound will be S. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So read carefully. Okay.
Okay,
Let's
sir.
try. Okay.
Once upon a time there was an old farmer. He lived with his wife and 3 sons in a small village. The 3 sons are quarreled with each other. One day the sons were quarreling again and the old farmer heard them. In order to teach them the value of unity, he, he called his sons beside him and told them to bring him 3 sticks and some rope. The 3 boys went and broke the sticks and rope for their fathers. The old farmer then tied the sticks together with the rope. Then he asked his sons to break the bundle of sticks. The 3 boys tried and tried, but they could not break the bundle of sticks. Then their father united the sticks and gave the sticks to each of his sons. He told them to break the sticks. His time they all broke their sticks easily. Then the old farmer told his sons that nobody could do any harm to them if they remained united.
That's good. Today you have said good. Okay.
Okay.
So listen. Reading is the main skill. If you read carefully and proper sound, it will be develop your skills. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to develop your skill?
Yes, sir.
Reading, writing, and listening. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And proper listening may success.